Hello guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video I'll show you how to make potato suji pancake. My kids absolutely loved it and that's why I thought I'll share it with you too. It is a very normal chila or pancake sort of a dish, a savory pancake I would say. It is very soft in texture and sometimes if you roast it well it comes out crispy too. And what else, kids love snacks like that and that's why most of the junk foods are liked by them. Now potato is great to be included in this along with rava. It turns out super yummy. Unlike normal rava chila or rava dosa, this gives a very brilliant taste and I and my kids adored it. So let me tell you, most of the mothers who hesitate to use potatoes in kids or babies food, you must start using it because it is great for skin. It is rich in vitamin C, it is rich in carbohydrates, much needed for their growth and development. So start using it. I know there is all messy about potatoes. People say that it can give a digestion issue, it can make your baby gassy. Yes, it may. A pinch of cumin powder when added, it would just do the job. So without hesitation and without wasting much more time, let's dive right in and see how to make potato suji pancake. So here's the list of ingredients which would be required to make this potato suji pancake. Take a snapshot if needed. Let's now start with the preparation. In a thick bottom pan, I'm adding suji or rava. We'll dry roast it for a minute or two until it turns golden brown. Let's not overdo it. Once done, we'll transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool down for a while and keep the other ingredients ready by then. So in a big bowl, I'm adding this boiled potato. I just kept it ready a few minutes before. Now we'll mash it until well done. I'm now adding rice flour here. This is roasted suji or rava. We just did it in the first step. Grated carrot, finely chopped onion, I'm just adding a bit, coriander leaves, finely chopped, salt. Add it at the end if you are making it for babies. Keep it aside for the baby and then for the family you can add salt. Now chili powder, less for babies, turmeric powder. You can add all spices for babies too, but just adjust with the quantity. Now garam masala and mix it up well. Bring in all of it together. Do not overdo it, otherwise it would turn too soggy and you would not feel onion and other texture. I'm adding water. Do add little at a time. Again, be gentle when you mix it. Add more water to adjust the consistency. Bring it to an idli batter sort of a consistency and keep it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes with the lid closed. Now it would look like this. The batter is almost ready. We will just give it a quick mix and start with the next step. Heat a pan, add a little ghee and then pour a ladle full of batter. Just ensure it's heated up well. Do not add it before that. See, I'm just pouring it. You do not have to spread it like you do for dosa, otherwise it would not come out well. You need a thick one for it to be called as a pancake. It's not a dosa. So keep it thick, add more ghee if you want. Close it with a lid, cover and cook. This would turn out soft inside and crispy on the outer layer. So ensure that on a medium flame you cook it both the sides. Look how colorful it looks, and it is really crispy. You can make it out. Now flip it, cook it again if you need, and it's done. Good enough. You can transfer it to a plate and ready to be served with tomato ketchup or just like that. Potato suji pancake, how yummy it looks. It is equally tasty. I was really happy. Do try. I hope you like this recipe, and I really wish you try it instantly because there are very less number of ingredients which are required, and most of them would be very commonly available in our kitchen. So let me know how you liked it, and if you're somebody looking for more snack options, then try cheesy potato bites. The link would be given in the description box. These are all available on our blog with the video. You can check them, and you can check sweet potato pancake, you can check banana appam recipe, and if you are worried or you want to try some potato recipe for your baby who's below an year, then cauliflower potato puree is what you can check for them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care of yourself till then. Bye bye.